I didn't hear her say yes. I just heard her say yes.
I said of course.
Okay, just
I
checking.
said of course.
Oh, yay!
I was wondering who this was.
Now you
I
know.
think Sammy brought them from the wedding because the vase is the color of the
That was
wedding
a good. I don't care if you're wet, I'll hug you anyway.
Yay. Okay, we need a close-up of the ring.
Yeah, without the chewed up fingernail that's underneath it. I just want to see it. No. Take that off. Oh my god. I know.
Just don't get that stuck up a dog's ass.
Oh no. I already told him insurance is necessity.
You want cake?
Your mom
Is it insured?
You know.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Trying to get a shot at the ring like everybody else.
I told him that. I said, insure it please, because if, yeah, let's not end up in a